Last period in subject of animal science and dairy, we share about constants of milk. In the constants of milk, associated substances like phospholipids, cholesterol, and pigments. Then today's period, we share about remaining constants of milk such as enzymes, gases, non-protein nitrogenous substances, and properties of milk. In the properties of milk, we see the state of milk, then specific gravity of milk, and then taste and odor of milk, and last property, that is the color of milk. The exam point of view, different questions asked in that topic. Write different enzymes which are present in the milk and their actions. Then also different kinds of gases which are present in the milk, and next non-protein nitrogenous substances which are present in the milk. Then exam point of view, we see detailed about the enzymes which are present in the milk, different kinds of enzymes which are present in the milk given as below. Number first, galactose. Galactose is also called as proteolytic enzyme. Then second enzyme, lipase. It is fat splitting enzymes. Due to the action of lipase, lipase gives bitter flavor to the milk and rancidity in butter. Then catalase enzymes. Catalase enzymes is also called as oxidizing enzyme. Then reductase. Reductase enzyme is also called as reducing enzymes. And lactose. Lactose enzyme is called as sugar fermenting enzymes. And next enzyme is phosphatase. Phosphatase enzyme is inactivated by heat, and it is used to base to judge the efficiency of pasteurization. That enzyme is also called as phosphatase enzymes. And last enzyme is peroxide enzymes. It is oxidizing enzymes. All these enzymes which are present in the milk which is destroyed by heat. Then number second constituents of milk gases is milk contains from 7 to 10% by volume of gases. CO2 present in milk which comes from the udder, and nitrogen and oxygens which is taken up in milk during milking. Then the small amount of gases which are present in the milk is very less. Then next constants, non-protein nitrogenous substances. These substances do not occur in large quantities. The urea, nitrogen, amino acids, creatinine, uric acids, adenine, guanine. These are non-protein nitrogenous substances present in the milk. Then we see also in that period, that is the properties of milk. Then properties of milk, first property, state of milk. Milk is not only complex chemical in nature, but due to various constants in physical nature is also very complicated. Water is carrier of dispersion medium for the constituents of milk. Milk serve as continuous phase liquid in which the constituents of milk is dispersed. Among the constituents of milk, lactose portion of lactose portion of mineral salts and some of lactalbumin are in molecular dispersion. Then next properties of milk, that is the specific gravity of milk. Milk is a complex colloidal system in which dispersion medium is water. Also milk contains salts and lactose in solution. Therefore milk is heavier than water. Why milk is heavier than water? Milk is heavier than water because milk contains salts and lactose in solution. Then the specific gravity of milk is taken at 68 degree Fahrenheit temperature or 15.5 degrees Celsius temperature. The average specific gravity of milk is drawn by using lactometer. The specific gravity of milk should not be determined for at least 1 hour after it is drawn from udder due to the air and CO2 content in fresh milk. The average specific gravity of cow milk ranges from 1.028 to 1.030 and average specific gravity of buffalo milk ranges from 1.030 to 1.032. Then the taste and odor of milk. Normal milk drawn from milk has slightly sweet taste, has characteristics no pronounced odor. This odor disappears when milk is allowed to stand for few hours. The pleasing flavor of milk may be due to high lactose content and low chloride content. At the end of lactation period, milk has slightly salty taste due to high chloride content. Then color of milk. The color of milk ranges from bluish white to golden yellow color depending upon breed of animal, kind of feeds, among fat and solids present in the milk. Amount of fat and solid present in the milk. Milk which is low in fat shows bluish tint. White color of milk is due to reflection of light by the dispersed fat globules. In case of cow milk, carotene pigment is present, hence cow milk is yellow in color, and buffalo milk riboflavin pigment is present, hence buffalo milk is white in color.